Hi, and welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Adventures. What we got here is the Super Pixie, the S-Pixie, or whatever you want to call it. Just arrived in the mail today. Tobias from Terrace Labcat has also done a video on this kit, unboxing it. You can see that up here or down in the comments. So let's get the bag open and see what's inside. And it's probably technically not an unboxing if it's in a bag. It's probably more of an unbagging. But let's open the bag, inside the bag up, and see what's inside the bag. First of all, we have a manual. On first glance, it looks relatively well written. There's a list of components here. There's a circuit diagram. And there are some more instructions. It's relatively simple. Then we have the board for the radio itself. And the thing that sets this apart from other Pixie kits, and I'm actually just going to try to mount this just temporarily so you can see. So this Pixie kit actually has a case. That's not half bad. Also, we got this bag of components here. I'm not going to open this at the moment. If you don't see what's inside here, check out Tobias' video. He's done a little bit on this. So what am I going to do with this kit? I'm going to build it. I need some kit building practice, so this will be a good exercise. And besides that, it's going to be a fun project. Me and Tobias is probably going to collaborate a little bit on building this. So we'll see what happens and when it happens. But here's the kit. You can find it over at eBay. It's not that expensive. I'll put the price over here so you can see how much it is. And that's it for now. Hope you like this unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. I'm Morton, LB0 Fox India. You're watching LB0 Fox India Norwegian Adventures. Please remember to like, comment down below, perhaps subscribe or support the channel in other ways. There is some info down below here. That's it for now. Until next time, 7-3.